Go ahead, folks. Damn, I don't know how to ride anymore, bro.
You're not the only one.
You're not the only one. Yo, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode. What's up, folks?
What's up?
And we are out again. It's still above 105 degrees. Where are we gonna go, folks?
Mount Charleston.
We're going to Mount Charleston.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to cool down riding the Vespas.
Yeah, I gotta cool down the balls.
You can't say that. Say hi.
What's up?
That's right.
Long time no see.
I know. Another 2 weeks has passed. No vlog. This is sad. Defeated kami ng summer.
Vegas life.
Yeah. But lately, at least for the past week, we've been playing a lot of pickleball.
Pickleball, huh?
Yeah, naglalaro kami ng pickleball. Parang nanganak yung tennis and table tennis. They call it the pickleball. The Dutch Bros opened up here.
Oh, they put a new one, huh?
Yes, sir. We're gonna meet up with 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 more Vespa.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Sino si JR, si
JR, Omar TV, maybe Mr. Sarap Vlogs, Kuya Jody, and there's another friend that's using Big Mac's bike.
Oh, he could use Big Mac and Big Mac can use Jack's.
Yeah. Let's go. Freeway Gaming. First ride in 2 weeks, and we're gonna go hit the freeway. Y'all ready for this? Tan 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 tan. Let's go, baby.
Turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands. Turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands. Turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands. Turn around now and dance, dance, dance.
Did you put the stop?
No, I put the stop outside. And I'm using the Panini inside.
Okay.
I just wanna pop, pop, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna pop, pop, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around. I just wanna.
You need gas, folks?
Turn around.
I'm only down 2 bars.
I'm down 1 bar, but we might as well fuel. We're going far, bro. Nah, we'll be alright.
Where's the gas station at?
Shell, right there. Go, 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 go. Let's go.
There they are.
That's them.
Man, your exhaust is loud, man.
My exhaust is loud.
Yeah, it zings in my ears.
Yours is gonna be loud soon. Look what's behind us. Because
What's behind us?
pimping ain't easy. Damn, all 300. Battle of the 300s today. Mr. Sarap Vlog right there. Boom. Guess who's back? Back again. Shit, we didn't tighten my my water. Remember it was leaking? I can smell coolant.
Can you? Oh yeah, it's leaking.
Yeah.
You gotta go put some water in there.
Ay, ngayon lang nag-ride ulit. Meron na agad problema, boys.
Do you have any tools?
No. How do you open
Do you
this?
want to open this? Let's see if I got mine.
Mine is not gonna take too much though, because I'm only down 1 bar. Hold on. Nice jersey, bro.
Yeah.
It's full. What a piece. It's loose?
Got some water? Get some water.
Hi, Mr. Sarah Vlogs here. I-take over ko na lang tong... Kayo na ba to? Ay, kay Mike Bomac. I-take over ko na lang to. Tagal na ako walang post eh. Wala na akong upload eh. Panoorin nyo na lang to.
Just do it. What's up? What's happening? Kasama sa aming ride. Papalamig tayo. Baguio Gaming.
Grouping succeeded.
How many? Everybody here?
Who's this? I don't know. It said grouping succeeded, so.
Yeah, that's all
There
it
you go.
said online.
Poggy, you good? Fucking do it. Cause you went, so you hear it.
What are you doing, folks?
Don't hold it yet.
What's up?
What's up?
You guys here?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Good. Saan? Nakaw na kaya? Okay. Sa likod tayo sana. Yes, sir.
Okay, boys,
Good,
let's
good.
go.
Right, folks.
Go, go,
Hold
go,
on.
go, go.
No, we'll stay in the back. We'll stay in the back with the...
Man, I want to stay in the back.
Hey, son.
You know I slow down on the turns.
We're doing a chill ride. We'll be good.
Okay, hopefully.
Bro, mo sa may ilaw mo.
It always starts off like that.
What's that? Okay. Oh, it feels good. There's more cars coming. Yep. Yeah. Gang.
Sugar gang.
Damn, nice lights, boys.
I can see nothing at the back. Only lights.
Alright, boys. What's up, dude?
So, nagpasama yan ah. Mag-BBGM vlogger eh. Okay, nagpasama. Okay. Bakit?
Eto na ang dilim.
Watch out for donkeys, okay? Yeah, I just remember someone said he doesn't look at light. But he's the nauna na. Nervous ako sa'yo. Ang bilis na bola. Wala, pasok tayo sa hotel. Pasok tayo sa hotel.
Kaya lang, bago na.
Pahinga lang.
Ito yung Camp John Hay namin.
Ito yung
Kanan. Kanan.
Ingat dito, maraming
malalim dyan ha. Malalim dyan.
Para ito ang crater. Nambulabog ang pocha.
Pero ito naman trabaho natin dito. All the way to the front. There you go. Boy, ako. Ayusin natin.
Shut it down. Just let it roll.
Is this good right here?
Yeah. Saan pa tayo mo naman? Yeah. Interesting no? Alright, we made it. 7 Vespas.
Okay
Let's
na
go.
to? Ganto Mac, okay na to?
Ay, okay na yan.
Okay daw.
It's just water.
It's water. Show me the brand.
Liquid Death.
Look at that. Yeah, it's just like you.
Mountain water.
Mountain
I'll
water.
give you a mountain.
What's up?
Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, vlog? Oh, you're my boy.
Am I your boy?
You're my boy. Because I brought water. You my boy.
Kamusta?
What's up? Sarap?
Rapsa.
Rapsa.
Kamusta ride, boss?
Sarap,
Ayos.
First time dito.
Mr. Sharap Vlogs is back.
Sarap. First time ng bike ko.
Muntik pang rumampa. Let's go, players. Who's here?
Me.
I got you.
Everybody's connected.
Yep.
Pasok, bro.
Yes, sir.
Sabay-sabay tayo mag-start. We start at the same time and we gas at the same time.
Say nyo na. Kapit na kayo stress.
Good morning!
Ow! Oh, lens.
Oh shit.
Go,
Yan.
Upa.
Marilake, boys. Andyan na yung sumisipat. Pakaliwa.
Buwipitek.
Donkey.
Left and right, don't cross, motherfuckers, don't cross. gaming.
Free game. Man!
Let's go. Tingin mo.
Amang pupuntahan. Binigyan.
Shit. Wala na, sir. Meron GTV, oh. Optimum drive, oh. Oh, here we go. Hi.
Bye. Yo. Relax na relax. The Mr. Sarap Vlogs. What's up, Pogi? Nice helmet, bro.
Then, just mo yung dalaw natin.
Later, guys.
Alright, guys.
Alright, good night.
Good night.
Good night. Ingat.
Okay, Doc. Thank you.
Okay.
Ingat, mga sir.
See you guys on pickleball night.
Next time, it's gonna be best friend pickleball night.
Yeah, when it gets cooler.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll see you Thursday, huh?
Thursday night, Pimpin.
Yeah. Alright, see you.
Alright, good night. Text me when you get home.
Bye.
I'm gonna sit in this stoplight for a little bit, I'm sure. Suck to suck.
Suck them balls.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I got the green light now.
Must be nice. I got a red.
Alright, so everybody's gone. Naghiwa-hiwalay na kami. Pauwi na silang lahat. Pauwi na rin ako. It's not too bad. There's 7 Vespas tonight. Lahat naka 300. So lahat kami nakapag-freeway. Medyo mabilis-bilis yung biyahe namin. I think yung weather dun sa Mount Charleston, dun sa lodge, was 76 degrees, which is really nice. Tumambay kami doon until midnight. Tapos bumaba na rin kami. Pero ngayon, nandito na tayo sa Vegas. We are closer to, I think, 97, 98 degrees na uli dito sa baba. It's good to be able to go back and ride again. Kahit pa paano. Sobrang tagal na. 2 weeks na yung last vlog natin. So hopefully, mabuo natin tong vlog na to para bukas meron naman tayong upload. At makamusta naman kayo dyan. Hopefully, you guys are still out there. And thank you if you're watching this. Thank you for still watching. Hopefully soon magkaroon na tayo ng mas maraming content uli at magiging riding season na uli. Siguro mga 1 buwan pa bago kami makapagmotor papasok ng trabaho. We're almost home. Hindi ko na kayo dadalhin all the way sa bahay. Papaalam na ako sa inyo. So shout out to everyone, to all the new subscribers, and sa mga bumabalik-balik, yung mga friends natin dyan sa Manila, DJ DLS, Crew, and Miko, and Casual Rider. Kamusta kayo lahat dyan? Hope all is well. And I'm still watching all your vlogs para maka-ano naman, maka-update naman kami. At kahit pa paano yung inggit namin nai-ease kasi napapanood pa rin namin yung mga vlogs nyo. But anyways, we'll see you guys on the next episode, hopefully sooner. And that's it. Thank you guys. God bless. And be a blessing to one another. Peace.